Embarking on a journey towards fitness is a commendable endeavor, and one of the most sought-after goals for many is achieving a toned and strong core. The abdominal muscles, commonly known as abs, contribute to aesthetics and play a crucial role in overall physical health and functionality. For beginners, diving into the realm of abs workouts can feel daunting, but fear not. This video will help you with the knowledge and exercises needed to kickstart your journey towards sculpting strong, defined abs. So, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Number 1. Crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands lightly behind your head or crossed over your chest, avoiding pulling on your neck. Engage your core muscles by drawing your navel towards your spine. Lift your shoulder blades off the floor towards your knees, exhaling as you crunch up. Inhale as you lower back down with control, ensuring your lower back maintains contact with the floor. To increase the intensity, you can try performing crunches on an exercise ball or with your feet elevated. Additionally, you can incorporate twists at the top of the movement to engage the obliques further. Number 2. Plank. Start in a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders and arms extended. Engage your core muscles, glutes and legs, maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. Avoid sagging your hips or arching your lower back. Focus on breathing deeply and holding the position with stability. To challenge yourself, try performing side planks by stacking your feet and balancing on one forearm while lifting your hips off the ground. You can also add dynamic movements such as plank shoulder taps or plank knee to elbow touches to increase the intensity. Number 3. Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet lifted off the ground, maintaining a slight lean back to engage your core. Hold a weight or medicine ball with both hands close to your chest. Rotate your torso to the right, bringing the weight towards the floor beside your hip. Then twist to the left, touching the weight to the floor on the opposite side. Keep your core tight and avoid rounding your back. You can increase the difficulty by extending your legs fully or lifting your feet off the ground while performing the twists. For added challenge, you can also hold a heavier weight or increase the speed of the movement. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Number 4. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your legs straight and together, arms resting by your sides or underneath your hips for support. Engage your core to press your lower back into the floor. Lift your legs towards the ceiling, keeping them straight, until they form a 90-degree angle with your torso. Lower them back down slowly, maintaining control and avoiding arching your back. To make leg raises more accessible, you can bend your knees slightly or place your hands under your tailbone for extra support. You can perform hanging leg raises using a pull-up bar or incorporate ankle weights to increase the challenge. Number 5. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and hands lightly behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground and extend your right leg while bringing your left knee towards your chest. Rotate your torso to bring your right elbow towards your left knee, simultaneously straightening your left leg. Alternate sides in a fluid pedaling motion while engaging your core throughout. To intensify the exercise, you can extend your legs fully and increase the speed of the movement. Alternatively, you can slow down the tempo to focus on control and muscle engagement. Number 6. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet lifted off the ground, arms resting by your sides. Press your lower back into the floor to engage your core. Exhale as you lift your hips towards the ceiling, rolling your pelvis towards your ribcage. Inhale as you lower back down slowly, maintaining control and avoiding momentum. To add resistance, you can place a small exercise ball or a light dumbbell between your knees. You can perform reverse crunches on a decline bench or incorporate a hip raise at the top of the movement for a more advanced variation. Number 7. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and arms extended. Engage your core and bring one knee towards your chest, keeping your hips level and spine neutral. Quickly switch legs, alternating in a rhythmic motion while maintaining a steady pace and stable plank position. To modify mountain climbers, you can perform them at a slower pace or elevate your hands on a stable surface, such as a bench or step. For an added challenge, you can increase the speed of the movement or perform cross-body mountain climbers by bringing your knee towards the opposite elbow. Here are some progression tips. Gradually increase the weight used in exercises such as Russian twists or add ankle weights to leg raises. As you build strength and endurance, aim to increase the number of reps or sets performed for each exercise. Once you've mastered the basic exercises, challenge yourself with more advanced variations or incorporate dynamic movements that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Continuously strive to maintain proper form and technique throughout each exercise, as this will maximize effectiveness and reduce the risk of injury. By incorporating these tips and variations into your beginner-aid workout routine, you'll strengthen and sculpt your core and lay a solid foundation for continued progress and success on your fitness journey. Remember to listen to your body, progress at your own pace, and stay consistent with your training to achieve your goals effectively. Don't forget to check out our other videos on this channel. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time on Discovering Hub Sports, stay informed, share your thoughts, and subscribe.